Hey, let me show you how you can fix this issue when your screen is not working on a Samsung A36 5G. So you have to take a look on the right side of your phone and you will have to use power key and volume down key. So take a look, you will have to click and hold both buttons, and after a few moments you will get this power off menu, and if it is not working then you can release and take a look right now. As you can see, I'm clicking every button on the right side, the volume buttons, the power key, but the phone is not working. What doesn't mean that we successfully turn off this phone, and after a few moments it will be turned on back. So that's how you can try to fix this problem when your screen is not working. Basically it's like frozen screen for some period of time. Now after a few moments it will turn on back, but if it is not gonna work, you can just click and hold power key or input cable and repeat by using power key, but as you can see in my case it's working.